बाइक ला दो, डाल सकते
वो चुप तेरी महफिल है, वो चुप तेरी महफिल में है।
हल्का सा दे
सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है।
আমরা আমাদের কৃতজ্ঞতা জ্ঞাপন করছি আপনাকে। আশা করব আগামী দিনে আরো
prestigious national theatre from the Department of Language and Culture, Government of Telangana. We have been supporting each and every artist and art form whoever come over here from various parts of India. So here I do believe that Bengalis are very, born
দেবশঙ্কর হালদারকে একটু সামনে ডাকবো, আর সাথে ডাকবো অনিরুদ্ধ দা, সত্যজিৎ দা, চঞ্চল দা, অপু দা, সুব্রত দা, ধ্রুব দা, সবাই আছে
for the wonderful show that has been brought from all the way to Calcutta to Hyderabad.
General Secretary of Uttarayan Club. Uttarayan is a socio-cultural organization in Hyderabad. Near about 46 years before, it was established by some eminent Bengali personalities in Hyderabad. So, like every year, this year also, we have organized one drama festival that is called in Bengali Natyotsav, Uttarayan Parboni Natyotsav 2024. The meaning is Uttarayan is the club, Parboni is the tagline of our every year cultural program, and Natyotsav means drama festival 2024. Now, this year we have brought an eminent group, drama group from Kolkata, Noihati Natya Samannay, which is being organized by a famous MP, Member of Parliament in Bengal government and other MLAs in Kolkata, Mr. Partho Bhomik, and eminent, one of the best theatre personalities in India, Mr. Devshankar Haldar and Mr. Devashish, etc. all. Today, we have organized, this year, we have organized Ferrari Fawz. Ferrari Fawz is a famous, one of the most famous drama written by late Utpal Datta. You know Utpal Datta is one of the very famous cinema artist and drama artist. He has written Utpal Datta. He has written and he has directed at that time, he had directed all these things. It was an India famous drama. So it has been recreated, the same drama by this Noihati Natya Samannay group. The name of the drama is Ferrari Fawz. Ferrari Fawz means a revolutionary during the British time who has become Ferrari. That means he has out.
Yes.
So there is a famous characters like Mr. Ashok, Shantida, and you have seen all these people, how beautifully they have done. The goosebump has come to our skin, and how beautifully they have arranged this stage that is called stagecraft. So unbelievable. So today we are very fortunate that our Director of Language and Culture, Government of Telangana, Sri Mamiri Harikrishna Garu, he was with us. He was supposed to inaugurate this program, but he got a call from the minister. He rushed there. So we are lucky that he came back, and we felicitated him, and he himself felicitated us and the drama people. So we have got a very good support from Telangana government, cultural and language department, and we are thankful to Uttarayan is thankful to Telangana government, our beloved Chief Minister, Sri Revanth Reddy Garu, and our Culture and Language Minister Jupalli sir, and Harikrishna Garu.
सर आज के प्रोग्राम में कितने कैरेक्टर्स थे टोटल?
इधर में कैरेक्टर्स था 44 44 characters were there, and out of that, the leading characters were 8. And the name of the characters are Shanti Da. Da means in Bengali Anna, Shanti Anna. So Shanti Da.
This is totally before.
Before our freedom, and Shanti Da is nothing but a famous, very big revolutionary people, and who you can see that he was in total disguise in this, and he guided all these revolutions. So ultimately, he accepted the death because of all these things, So it's a what do you call goosebump creating drama. You have
सब
seen.
पूरा हॉल फुल हो गया था और बालकनी भी फुल हो गया
हॉल
काफी
फुल
लोग
हो गया था.
काफी
हॉल
लोग
में
enjoy
इधर में
करे.
कैपेसिटी था 700. हम लोग देखे इधर में 680 people came.
जी.
And in the balcony also there were 70 people. So I would like to introduce our cultural secretary
Yes,
and
yes, yes, yes.
Assistant General Secretary Mr. Rahul Nandi.
Yes.
Hi everyone, and thank you Hyderabad for making this event a grand success. We are so thankful and grateful to all the culture lovers of Hyderabad, being Bengali or non-Bengali. We are crossing entire bars of language. It's just the creation which is connecting and communicating. So I wish all the best to the enthusiasm of all culture lovers, theatre lovers of Hyderabad. We are so thankful. See you next time. See you soon to all of you.
Sir,
Thank you.
Yes.
What is the story all about? Just be brief.
Okay, so this story of today's drama talks about the contribution of life towards making our existence successful. Whatever we are today, it's multiple drops of bloods, and that actually made us strong and steady, standing in front of all of you with these glossy colors. This was actually a acknowledgement, a gratitude towards that contribution.
सर
Because
आज कैसा लगा आपको? सुपर हिट गया प्रोग्राम, काफी सुपर हिट गया आज. पूरा हॉल फील होगा.
प्रोग्राम सुपर हिट गया.
Yes.
आप लोग सब देखे कि हॉल फुल था.
हाँ, balcony
रेनी सीजन था, बालकनी भी फुल था. इसके अलावा और क्या बोल सकता हूँ.
कैसा लगा आपको हैदराबाद के लोग कल्चरल यहाँ का?
देखिए, मेरा हैदराबाद को ऑलमोस्ट 14 साल होने वाला है
जी.
पहला दिन से मेरे को लगा है that I am finding another Bengal in Hyderabad.
Super.
Right.
Super, sir.
And that's the reason I am grateful to the land of Telangana. Thank you.
Mamri Hare Krishna. Dual fast.
So the last Mamri Hare Krishna there.
Mr. Mamidi Hari Krishna is our friend, philosopher and guide to make these events successful.
Thank you, sir.
From the inception of the thoughts, what we cultivate to make it success, he stands steady as usual always. And today is also a great example of his support. We are so thankful and grateful to Mr. Mamidi Hari Krishna and the entire team. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Sir, आप okay, sir. Thank you.
Our club, named as Uttarayan, is basically engaged in doing all socio-cultural activities in Hyderabad. And this is a Bengali club, and this club is as old as we started in the year 1978. It is actually 43 years old. This type of activities like organizing theatres, basically our idea is to induce or promote the healthy culture amongst the people. It is not that only we organize a Bengali theatre, we also organize some musical event where language is not the barrier. Anybody can come and enjoy. So that way, basically, thing is that not only enjoy the evening, it is also that you will be knowing the Indian culture and you will be infused with those program, and you may tell others to follow the same thing. So today's program is basically this. It's a very old theatre. It was initially started. It is written by famous Utpal Dutt, who not only written this thing, he also acted in that theatre from earlier days, 1970s, 80s. And it is very, very popular in Calcutta. So now this has been newly produced by this group, Nihati Natto Premi. He had this, you'll find that one MP is also the actor. Mr. Bhomi is recently elected as a member of parliament. Mr. Dev Shankar Haldar is a very famous actor in Bengali culture, Bengali theatre. So we are happy to have them here, and I am sure, probably you have seen the crowd. The crowd is quite good. In fact, we have never thought that so many people will come and witness this theatre. It is mainly because of, okay, maybe that our marketing was good, but it is also the name and fame of these people who are performing. So we are thinking that is, since it is a success, we will be doing again.
Sir, Uttarayan will promote such type of programs in future.
Yes, we do regularly. Only thing in last, I think we have done this thing after 4 years. Because of the pandemic, we could not do it. But now again, we started.
चीफ गेस्ट सर कौन कौन हिस्सा लिया आज के प्रोग्राम में? एमपी साहब और कौन कौन हिस्सा लिया आज के प्रोग्राम में? चीफ गेस्ट एमपी साहब.
चीफ गेस्ट टुडे का प्रोग्राम
The chief guest Hari Krishna Garu,
Mamre Krishna.
And our MPs are just an actor. Actually, we have seen that
He is an actor and as well as now he became MP.
सर कैसे लगा आज का प्रोग्राम? काफी सुपर हिट रहा. फर्स्ट ग्राउंड फ्लोर और बालकनी में ऑडियंस काफी एंजॉय किए. आपको कैसा लगा?
we are really delighted.
योर नेम सर?
My name is
Sir,
Sanju.
you got an
Okay, sir. Thank you.
overwhelming response from very actually drama. How do you feel about it?
You know this. If you see the story behind this theatre, it is basically a very old story. It's an old story in the sense during our this independence movement. So that may not be, very people may not understand, especially the young guys. They may not understand and may not like this thing, but people like us or the middle-aged people, they know this, what happened during that period. So it is, it was just hitting our heart.
आज के नाटक में कितने कैरेक्टर्स थे सर? आज के नाटक
हाउ मेनी आर्टिस्ट आर यू ऑल टुडे?
Total strength was 39 plus 5. Total 44 people came from Calcutta. And out of 44, 12 were technicians who were doing the outside job. So that means 32 people acted.
Thank you.